Hello, my name is Vinalda Gupta and I need to detail some information about a bracelet that I bought from eBay that I believe is a fake. I just wanted to show you the difference by video because I know it's hard to see in photos. First of all, if you look at the cross, this is a picture that I had of the original bracelet that I used to own that I lost. The flaring on the ends here is much sharper here than you will actually see on this. These ends stick out a lot farther on the edges of the cross than you will see here. Here they are almost rounded. You will see the inking here. There's very complete inking through all of these areas and it's very consistent. On this side you will see that on the left part of that edge there is inking. On the right side there's almost none. You flip it over this way, there's no inking whatsoever. It's totally inconsistent and totally asymmetrical. When you come down here, if you look at this original piece, this oval sort of rectangular piece, the inking that is there, the black part is on the dot section only. It's not on the edge. Here you will see that it's totally different. There's inking on the inside where the little dots are and inking all around the edge. I wanted to show you this picture, which is a picture from one of the articles that you have on your website right now that you're selling. This is basically the exact same bracelet that I used to own that had the cross on it, but it no longer has the cross. Here's that piece right here that I was talking about. This piece right here. Again, if you look at it in your store, you will see that there's inking only in the middle where the dots are, not on the edges of that piece. There also is a metal, a sterling silver piece rather, that goes in between those two braids. If you were to look at this one, you would see, if I pull it back, there is no middle piece there. That is a totally different connector. Lastly, I would say please look at this piece. If you look carefully at this, this is the little, I don't know if you call this a jump ring, but it has Thomas Sabo stamped all around. Look at the length of that piece so that you can connect it to the clasp to have enough room. If you look at this piece, you'll see how big it is. That's how big that ring is. You almost cannot even get the bracelet on. Also look at the spacing between those letters, S-A-B-O. There's a lot of space in between them. You can read them very easily. Here, you can see how close together those letters are, and there's not even consistent spacing. The A and the S has more space than the S and the S does between it. Again, this is what you have in the store. If you look at the length of this piece versus the length of this piece and the stamping on it, the stamping and the blacking on that versus this, you will see that this is not the quality that Thomas Sabo puts out. It's not even consistent with what you carry in the store. You could also look at that double strand leather bracelet that has the skull on it. It's going to be consistent with this and this, which is the piece that I used to own, and not with this, the piece that I just purchased. Thank you so much.